We have learned a lot in the past videos, so let's create something for celebration. Take the power module, the LED light, the horn, the vibration module, and the transparent plate. We will need 2 different types of cables. Let's use this 3-directional cable to connect the power module to the LED light and to the horn. Remember, positive connect to positive. We can fix all these modules on the board. We will use the other 3-directional cable to connect the LED light and the horn to the vibration module. And last step, of course, is to connect the power module to the vibration module. Then we have a closed circuit. Let's shake the vibration module. You can see the light is on, and you can hear the sound. Try again. In the past videos, we learned that there are 2 springs inside the vibration module. When we shake it, the 2 springs will touch each other. The circuit is closed. That's why we see the light is on and we can hear the sound. After a while, the 2 springs are separated, so the light goes off and we can't hear the sound anymore.